My name's Peter Sutton. I'm the Managing Director of Sutton Tools. We're a fourth generation, 102-year-old family business that manufactures engineering cutting tools, sold domestically but also internationally. We've now been working with Integra for 5 years, and over that time the relationship's grown stronger and stronger. I guess part of that has been two family businesses. By partnering with Integra, we found that as an alternative to importing, we're actually able to get a much higher quality product at a much shorter lead time and at a very cost competitive price. But in addition to that, we were able to develop the products working with Integra and get a much better solution for our retailing. With Integra being a local supplier and having its own engineering team, it gave us a huge advantage in terms of lead time in developing new merchandising concepts. And one of those was in reducing the transportation costs by having disassembled merchandiser that we're able to ship at 75% less volume than we were previously doing. We also developed with Integra a quick assembly concept. Instead of spending maybe 4 hours assembling merchandisers in store, that was brought back to a matter of minutes. So prototyping was a big part in the success of this, in that we were able to prototype, review, re-engineer and have a finished product very quickly. Retailers have told us by using our new merchandising concepts, sales have increased between 5 and 10% just through the better merchandising that we've developed with Integra. Our values are certainly very much aligned, and it's a really great partnership and one which we see going a long way into the future.